Bitch, when you miss me, African and Indian.
I'm out of place in a sea full of smiles, walking down Main Street tonight. Got a lot on my mind since you walked out and said, Merry Christmas, babe, give me some time.
Hey y'all, welcome back. I kind of moved locations. I'm in Tempe, Arizona, Scottsdale, Arizona. I am going to actually try again. I'm gonna try again. But today I'm using the Almighty Kiss glue, this guy. But this dries so fast. Like, I don't even need my blow dryer. So I'm going to, I got both parts. I also got the Almighty remover, which is kind of suds up the Ghost Bond, which that one didn't sud up, but watch me. I'm gonna tie this down and re-slay it. Yeah, I will take this off, glue it down again. 3 layers? Yeah, it goes so fast. Like, you think that you're waiting in the period in between. It's not even that deep. Okay, so I kind of lifted it up, and I don't think I packed any alcohol. I'll just use like really strong soap. Actually, I'm gonna use hand sanitizer because, oh, here we go. Yeah, I have alcohol wipes. I'll use that. But let me take off some of this. It's interesting how this suds up. Like, not all lace glue is made the same. Okie dokie. I'll just be using an alcohol wipe that I get on the plane. I know you're supposed to make it wide, so make it wide and get a little far back.
Don't worry, my dear hubby, I'm making my way home to you, so Santa, hold on. Santa, hold on. I'm not gonna leave you hanging by yourself. Santa, hold on. Santa, hold on. I'm not gonna leave you alone with all them nails. Hold on, Santa, I'm on my way. Santa, hold on.
Yeah. So there's that. That's first layer. I'm gonna come back around and do the second layer. We gotta move quick.
I'm coming home. Yes, it's true. One more Christmas to be with you. Yes, I'll be right there by your side, making you ready
it. I'm gonna give it a second to tack up. I think I might even just like lay it down in the middle first because the sides are a little bit more still. Okay, yeah, that's definitely ready to go. Okay. So I will pull it down. It's right here.
Leave you on Christmas Day. So hold on, Santa, I'm on my way. Hold on, Santa. Hold on, Santa, I'm on my way.
Okay, and I'm gonna just do some touch-ups and the precision tip side. Okay, that stays on there.
Everyone knows that Christmas should be.
Make sure you close the other side before you start gluing because it'll ooze out both sides. Use your comb.
Cause we got that right. Oh, but I'm in Copacabana, tanning up for Santa. But I'm getting on a plane, a boat, or a train. I'm setting a new course, bearing straight due north.
Okay, and tie it down with the elastic band.
Hold on, Santa, hold on. I'm not gonna leave.
I'm pulling it down to my ears because I want these tabs to stay. Okay, so now, since that is sturdy, furry, I'm going to make my part.
You hanging by yourself.
I have my Care wax stick. They sold this to me as edge control, and I have 4C edges, and this works for like 2A edges. But I like using it to lay flyaways, which I think that's the purpose of it anyway. So that's nice. This is my hot comb. It's golden hot. I think it has a 5-year warranty. Life hack, you guys, only buy things with a warranty because it means it's quality. Even if you don't keep your receipt to be able to like honor it, if somebody says, hey bro, bet this will last you whatever amount of time. And it actually works really great. It has a dial and it goes up to 500 degrees.
Santa, hold on. Santa, hold on. I'm not gonna leave you alone with all them else. Hold on, Santa, I'm on my way. Let me tell you about old Saint Nick and me. As tight as can be. It's been that way forever. Guess what shapes that go
I don't have any moves because I couldn't bring it on the plane, but I'll probably.
together? Everyone can use a little vacation, even if life on the North Pole is cool. But don't worry, my dear hubby, I'm making my way home to you. So Santa, hold on. Santa, hold on. I'm not gonna leave you hanging by yourself.
length. It's twerk length.
Let's see if I can cook a little bit more. I want the part to be a little wider. But my airplane didn't let me, so I'm just gonna straighten it as is.
Everyone knows that Christmas should be white. Bing Crosby got that right. Oh, but I'm in Copacabana, tanning up for Santa. But I'm getting on a plane, a boat, or a train. I'm setting a new course, bearing straight due north. Santa, hold on. Santa, hold on. I'm not gonna leave you hanging by yourself. Santa, hold on. Santa, hold on.
I'm gonna use some mascara.
Was all in nails. Hold on, Santa, I'm on my way. Let me tell you about old Saint Nick and me. As tight as can be. It's been that way forever. Guess we're shapes that go together. Everyone can use a little vacation, even if life on the North Pole is cool. But don't worry, my dear hubby, I'm making my way home to you. So Santa, hold on. Santa, hold on. I'm not gonna leave you hanging by yourself.
And to mold and shape my baby hairs, what I've found to work better is just a little gel. This is my Aussie gel. I got a little travel size one. Yeah. Let's get out the baby hairs. So, just a little bit. I don't have Ashanti sideburns, so my frontal should not have Ashanti sideburns. I barely have any at all, for that matter. So that's all.
Santa, hold on. Santa, hold on. I'm not gonna leave you alone with all the nails. Hold on, Santa, I'm on my way. Santa, hold on. Santa, hold on. I'm coming home. Yes, it's true. One more Christmas to be with you. Yes, I'll be right there by your side, making you ready for your sleigh bell ride. Santa, hold on. No, I will never leave you on Christmas Day. So hold on, Santa, I'm on my way. Hold on, Santa. Hold on, Santa, I'm on my way.
Okay, so there you go. I am going to take this off after it dries, probably like another 30 minutes. What are we gonna do? Yeah, I'll go put my face on. I'll do a slight beat. We have a lingerie party coming up later, so I'll close out this video with a final reveal. See you guys in a few. Okay, here is the finished product. You see, lace, it's here, bro. We here. Like, that is like taking my skin. Like, you cannot take this out, or it'll probably be bad for you to take it out if you don't use the remover. Like, look at that, bro. This area right here, this line of demarcation bothers me a little bit. I want to make that a little bit more flat. Hopefully it'll really melt in tomorrow, but I'm so happy with how it looks. Ah! Check me out, sis. Check me out. Cute slow-mo outro.
That Christmas should be white. Bing Crosby got that right. Oh, but I'm in Copacabana.
So there you go. This was a 16-inch frontal, 24-inch bundle, 24, 22, and 20. And it goes down to my, right above my butt. Which is really long because I didn't think it would be that long. Because I'm a tall girl. I love it. I love it. It makes it so much easier because I have to mentally prepare myself for going down lace because it takes so long. But now, this way you miss me. African and Indian. But thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it was helpful, giving my honest review. I'm not the best hairstylist, but if you take your time, like I tend to, you can achieve it too. And it makes it so much easier with that silicone tip. It's a tip for me. But thank you guys. Please subscribe if you like it. More content, more hair videos. If you want me to review anything, let me know. Comment down below. But love you guys. Bye.
Holidays are coming and there's no way